What's up guys, how's it going? I find myself in northern Chile these days, in the Atacama desert, as you can see behind me and all around me actually, because this place is huge. I still am stuck with my left hand because it's not yet fully healed from my accident, and I cannot really ride a motorcycle for another 3 or 4 weeks at the very least. So this time I've rented a pickup trucks from my adventures, and I wanna do something different over here. A video kinda backwards. Stick around. What's up guys, how's it going? Today I welcome you to Adventures for Mere Mortals for a very special occasion and for a very different adventures over here. I am in northern Chile in the Tatio Geyser facility, more like a compound, a natural compound where you can spot all of those natural geysers. The road to drive over here, it was amazing. Today I have this pickup truck that I rented. It's very early in the morning. I took off at 5 something and now it's 6:30. I'm gonna have a bit of breakfast right now before taking a walk into this.
Collapsible travel mug and instant coffee are exactly the fastest thing you can find, but this is not like Peter McKinnon style, is it?
This geothermal field of El Tatio, it's 120 kilometers east of Calama, which is the city where the local airport is, and 98 kilometers north from San Pedro de Atacama. They strongly recommend to be here before the sunrise so that you can appreciate the color at best. And I will stay silent for a second so you can hear it. So it turns out that you didn't miss the sunrise after all, because it was hiding around the top of that mountain. And I hope that the sensor of the GoPro is capable of capturing the colors that I'm seeing right here. Now that the sun is up, I can definitely see some shades of like orange, brown and purple and pink. Well, certainly is a place worth visiting. Oh, it's warm, it's nice. I think it's time to go for a swim. Water might still be 35 degrees, but until you get there, it's still chilly. It's actually my first time driving a pickup truck, and I can't wait now to go and doing my best to show the road that I've taken to drive up here. I mean, I get all the hype that all these colors get. It's incredible. This is a truly magnificent road, and would I recommend this to ride a motorcycle upon? Well, certainly not any kind of motorcycle. Of course, enduro bikes, they will be fantastic. ADV bikes, not an issue as long as you're prepared to get a little bit of mud here and there. Definitely your boot and pants are gonna be muddy after this. And yeah, it might be a little slippery like in this place over here. I'm happy that I've rented a pickup truck. There's only the only type of vehicle that I would love to drive over this road. having an amazing experience today with this truck. I love it. Toyota, can I get one please? What I really love about this kind of vehicle when it comes to driving over gravel and a dirt road like this is that basically it drives itself. It's just like a big toy. In the curves, it just glides over the gravel. Basically, it drifts by itself. It's amazing. It's been since the ATV days in Ukraine that I haven't felt this kind of sensation when I was driving a vehicle. So I'm starting to see the first houses over here, so basically today's adventure is over. Give a like and comment down below if you saw something that you like. I can use a recommendation about trucks in general. Feel free to subscribe if you like this kind of content so that you can support my channel for future adventures. Thank you for watching.